What is up, YouTube? It is your boy Luke, and welcome to my first game devlog on YouTube. Now, I've had this idea for quite a long time, and I'm finally happy to announce that it's finally going through development. Actually, development just started like a few hours ago while shooting this video. As you guys can tell, it's late at night and I'm pretty stoked. I'm pretty excited. I'm not tired. I'm carrying on with my dream and I'm doing what I can to achieve it. And video games has always been something that I really wanted to do, and video game development has opened so many doors for me. Actually, not just video game development, but computer science as a whole. You know, I'm only 17. I'm not even done with high school yet, but you know, with the amount of technology or the advanced technology we have up to this day, anything is possible. You know, and I want to take advantage of that. I want to be somebody that I always wanted to be, you know. So, and this is the opportunity that I'm taking right now of being my own person, doing what I love, you know, following my dreams. That's my life, you know. So yeah, if you guys are tuning in and you're watching, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. The game that I'm working on right now is still new. The idea is pretty sick, and I don't know how I'm going to execute it, but I'm pretty sure and confident that I will be able to complete this game within a year, hopefully. I'm a one-man team, but I can welcome any help. Like, if you guys really want to help, you know, hit me up with some music and stuff like that. Yeah, I'll look into that. I appreciate that, but for now, everything is still new, so I keep you guys posted on a weekly basis, monthly basis, however I want it to be, or whatever suits my schedule. So yeah, let me tell you guys about the game. So excuse me. The game is called Four Fields. Now, given the name Four Fields, which actually translate to enemy fields, is a game all about control, strategy, and luck on the battlefield. So basically, you have, let's say, let's say you're playing online with a two-player online game, right? So you have to infiltrate your enemy's base before they fully infiltrate yours and take over your land, and therefore winning and obviously becoming stronger and progressing and so forth and so forth. You know, sort of like similar games that you've seen so far, like Clash Royale, Clash of Clans, you know, somewhere in that area, but you know, weirdly different in a way. So yeah, I'm really excited to take on this project. I don't know what to say, but yeah, it's gonna be a huge project for me. I mean, it's multiplayer, which is, well, something I haven't really dived into, but I'm pretty confident that I'll be able to pull it off. I've been programming for quite some time, and I've been designing games for a while, pretty much a year or so. So yeah, guys, and I'm really excited to where I can go with this. So thank you guys for watching, and if you do guys want to stay, you know, if you guys want to stay updated, please hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, and basically just share this video with your friends. I will be updating you guys on how my progress is going, showing you guys my challenges, what I have to go through, and all the hiccups and all the good stuff that I go through making this game. So yeah, guys, so without any further ado, let's do this.